Hi all, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in the class I discussed about how to design infographics information and the scatter plots. So in infographics is a collection of graphics in a single dashboard. So the next scatter plot is used to find out the correlation between the data points which we have to be collected in the databases. So next I want to discuss about what is bar chart and the bar chart. So the bar and bar chart is used to visualize the element for the relationship between the variables, relationship between the different rows and columns, and also the and also represent the data values. So the bar chart, so it is a rectangular bars. We have to represent some x and y axis value. So the x and y axis is nothing but the row and column value. We collect the data from the data sets and the databases. So the data can be extracted, and which data we have to represent in a image format. That particular value, but the particular column value will be given as a row and column. So it used to find out the different categories, comparison values. So that's why only we have used the bar charts. So it can be either a horizontal or vertical. So the bars will be either in a horizontal format or the vertical format. So both the format can be used to for the visual elements. So the bar chart is mainly used for comparison between the variables. That is either in a business analytics, what is the outcome of so that is revenue of 2024 and the 2025. So this will be considered as a bar value. So in 2024 that will be either in a 20% increase, and in 2025 the percentage will be increased in a 25. That's 5% of comparison will be shown in the bar chart value. The next is a pie chart. So pie chart is used to find out the proportions in a circular slides. So that will be in a circular format. So the proportion will be so in a 180-degree. So what is the particular proportion of particular data types? So this will be included in a pie chart. So it can represent the data in a slices. So in a particular pie, in a circular pie, so the data will be in a slices format. So we can extract the small data differences between the data which we have to be informed to the audience. So some differences between the bar chart and pie chart will be a clarity of representation. So the bar chart will have a clear representation. So it is in a bar format. So that is I already said about the 5% of differentiation will be easily find out. But in a pie chart, it represent the whole relationship. The total data relationship will be represented. So it is a simple difference to find out the originality from the data. So then also a space, it displays more categories, so more number of bars we can use. But in a pie chart, in a single circular pie, we can given to all the data is in a single circular pie. So the audience of visual peel is in a chart format, but in a the chart bar chart format is a very straightforward format. So the person who have not known the technical knowledge can easily find out what we have to be delivered to the particular person is easily understood by using bar chart. But in pie chart some difficulties is there, because we have to represent the data in a proportion format. So we have some mathematical relations between the pie charts. So it is some difficult to understand. Some best practices for using this chart is, it is very simple to understand, and it is more number of labels. So in his bar chart also, it's pie chart also. So we have represent some values in the top of the charts. So we can highlight the values or bold the values. Some animations we can given to the values, and we can change some appropriate colors also. So these all done in using bar and pie chart. So the next thing is The next thing is tools we are using to creating the chart is, so absolutely we seen in the last class Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet also we choose in the insert tab we choose bar chart and pie chart to display the value in image format, and in Tableau also, but in Python or programming. So these all are the tools to creating the charts to represent the information. So the chart is used to find out the relationship between the data values which we have seen. So we have to select the right chart for the data which we have chosen. So these are all the techniques we are using to find out the relationship between the variable and the proportions between the data values and data points which we have collected from the databases. Thank you.